every time you put on those workout clothes and you start that timer and you start that workout, you know by the end of that workout, you're gonna be taking one step closer to your goals. Hey guys, what's going on? It's just Naomi here. This is going to be a pretty informal video, just me sitting here talking to you guys. First, before we go into the big stuff, I wanted to say that I am in the works of trying to put together a big trip for all of us to get together and meet in real life. So I've been doing YouTube for about 6 years now, and as you guys know, we have just been doing a phenomenal job creating such an amazing group of people, a community here on YouTube that is so encouraging, uplifting. I see you guys comment on each other's comments all the time, helping each other, giving each other tips, and just motivating each other and lifting each other up. And to me, when I see that, it is just such a powerful and a beautiful thing. And I've always wanted to, on social media, be able to create a really safe space where anyone can come and feel fully seen, heard, understood, and not judged at all. And you guys have really taken that to the next level, and that's really the purpose behind all of this, is to be able to meet in real life and to have these friendships that I feel like are going to be like once in a lifetime friendships, because when are you ever going to be able to do something like this again, right? I'm so excited to meet you guys and for you guys to meet each other. If you're even the slightest bit interested, go ahead and click the link down below to fill out a little survey, and you let me know where you want to go, for how long, what your budget is, what time of year you want to go, how long of a trip you're able to take, and all those little details there. Then from there, we'll go ahead and choose a destination and figure out how long of a trip we're going to go on and what kind of activities we're going to do on the trip. For me, I'm an introvert. I feel like for any of my fellow introverts, I know that there's a lot of you guys out there, and I'm talking to you. You know who you are. If you're like, okay, like 2024, like new year, you're trying to get out of your shell more, meet new people, experience life, and you know, just connect with other people who are also super high-key, low-key, cool, just like you, then this would be an amazing trip for you to go on. This is your sign, sis. Go ahead, fill out that survey link and let me know where you want to go. If you're kind of on the fence now and you just want to get signed up, so fill out that survey link, get signed up for the updates, so you can decide later on if it's something that you want to commit to or not. Then you have that option too, but again, you have to fill out that survey link to let me know. I know that you guys will probably have a lot of questions, so drop them down in a comment down below, and I'm more than happy to get back to you and clarify any questions that you have. I would love to have each and every single one of you come along and get to meet you in real life. That would be amazing. And now for the big news. Many of you guys know I did do like a soft launch of my one-on-one coaching last year, and so working together with clients, I really took their feedback and refined my one-on-one coaching platform to really elevate it and make it the best experience possible for clients, because that is what you guys deserve. I am super proud of the way that it turned out. It is so beautiful, it's aesthetic, it's just everything that for me I could ever want, and I feel like for you guys, everything that you guys need to truly succeed. Through all of this, I have opened up some new one-on-one coaching spots. With my one-on-one coaching, I customize everything for you, and when I say everything, I mean everything. So workouts, let's start there. So if you're familiar with my weekly workouts videos, workout guides here on YouTube, they're just like that, except customized for you, to your goals, needs, wants, a lifestyle, etc. If you tell me, hey Naomi, I can only work out 3 times a week for 30 to 45 minutes each session, I'm going to make sure that each session is optimized with the correct exercises to really get you to where you want to be. So every time you step foot in the gym, or if you're working out at home, every time you put on those workout clothes and you start that timer and you start that workout, you know by the end of that workout, you're going to be taking one step closer to your goals. You won't have to YouTube my videos anymore or anyone else's workout videos. All your workouts will be right on your phone for you, laid out for you. And of course, with your workouts, as you get stronger, as you get more comfortable with the exercises, I go ahead and advance you to more difficult exercises and workouts, and you'll really see yourself progress and grow in ways that you never have before. With the nutrition, I lay out every single meal. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, to if you want to eat 5 meals a day, 3 meals a day, if you don't want to do breakfast, if you don't like eggs, if you don't eat shellfish, etc. So for you on your end, there will be no more experimenting on How much should you be eating? What should you be eating? What foods should you avoid? Should you take protein shakes or not? What other supplements should you be taking, or what supplements should you avoid, etc. My goal with all my clients is to get them to where they want to be and get them the results they want to see, but also while they still live their lives. And so they still travel, they still are social on the weekends, big family get-togethers, and I not only want all my clients to reach their goals, I want them to be able to maintain those results long term until they have a new goal that they want to reach. As a coach, one of the most important things that I provide for you is simply just a safe space for you to come simply as who you are, us meeting in the middle and creating this beautiful plan for you to succeed. I want you to be able to come to me with any questions, concerns, any good things, even if you have your bad off weeks. If a bad day turns into a bad week, turns into a bad month, that's totally okay. We'll go from there and navigate. We'll figure out a plan that's going to help you maneuver and get to the next step. If you're looking for a coach who's going to really see you, understand you, and hear you out, then I'm your girl. Sis, this is your year to make this your fit babe era. If you're ready to take that big step and make this next chapter of your fitness journey the best and most successful one yet, click the link in the description and apply for my one-on-one coaching, because I would love to work together. Even if you're not 100% sure yet and you have a lot of questions, go ahead and still apply for my one-on-one coaching, because what that's going to do is let my team and I know that you're interested, so that we can communicate with you directly and answer any questions that you have, so that you can walk into and go into my one-on-one coaching program feeling comfortable and confident, knowing exactly what you're going to get going into my one-on-one coaching and working with me. Anyways, I know I've been talking quite a bit. Thanks so much for tuning in and sitting down and chatting with me. If you have any questions about anything, my one-on-one coaching or the trip as well, go ahead, leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks again for stopping by, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.